So for expats or for foreigners, is this a good time to invest in properties in Sri Lanka?
It's actually a really interesting time to invest in the Sri Lankan property market because the properties are still relatively low in price and also that is compared to the entire region. So we are still at the bottom of the market and there are some really good deals to be made. We are actually seeing a very high increased demand by foreigners and expats who want to invest in Sri Lanka because they are looking for high rentals as well as capital growth as well. So absolutely, it is the right time to invest in Sri Lanka.
What are the type of properties should people invest on? Is it land, is it apartments, or just something else?
There are the most easiest for foreign buyers or investors who are living abroad. The best properties to invest would be apartments because they are easy to manage, easy to purchase as well. And the Sri Lankan laws allow everyone to buy apartments as opposed to lands. So I would actually say compared to buying a land which you have to go through a cumbersome process, it's much easier to invest in apartments because you get the capital growth as well as rental yield as well.
So for foreigners and expats, apartments it is. So coming to my next question, like what are the key legal things or financial things that a person needs to know, an expat or a foreigner needs to know before investing in Sri Lanka?
So I think I will firstly say that the ownership structure is very important. Buying an apartment is relatively very easy. You're able to buy it straight away. There is no law that prevents you from. When you try to purchase a land, it comes with complex structures. So I would say the ownership is basically go for apartments which are much easier to purchase. The second one is take into consideration the approvals. So make sure before you buy an apartment, you have looked at the deeds, whether the apartment's got the deeds, the COC documents, and all the building regulations has been signed off, including the fire safety assessment as well. The third thing I would say that you need to check would be the taxes. So there are stamp duties, capital gain taxes and things like that that you need to pay as well. So make sure you have accounted for all of those as well. Finally, you need to make sure that you are working with a trusted agent so that they can find you the property in the right location for the right price, and also a very trusted developer as well. So these are, I would say, will be the most important things that you need to notice.
So as an expert in the industry, right, what would be your advice or a guide that you would give for someone who is investing from overseas on a Sri Lankan property?
My top advice is focus on location as well as the demand. So you need to make sure that the location is absolutely right for what you are looking to do. So if you are looking to live in that property, then make sure that we have found the right developer who can help you with that option. And also if you're looking at short-term rental options like Airbnb, which are very popular, and all the port city developments that are coming through. So you need to make sure that you need to focus on location as well as the demand that is absolutely there. One of the other things I would recommend that you do would be to focus on developers who will give you properties with good facilities, because those are going to be very key when you come to short-term rentals as well. So focus on the right developer who's got giving you the right facilities in the market as well, and then that will be a very good option for you.
So as an expat yourself, being overseas, how does someone from overseas, actually find places and compare places for investment opportunities in Sri Lanka?
About 7 months ago, I actually purchased a property in Sri Lanka. So the first place I went to was ceylonproperty.lk. They have a wide range of options depending on your investment needs. So that will be the easiest option.
Buying or selling a property, list or find best deals on ceylonproperty.lk, largest real estate platform.